Hello everyone. Today we will learn about Python data types. So Python is known for its simplicity and versatility. It handles data through different data types, each optimized for specific use cases. Whether you are new to coding or refining your programming skills, mastering Python data types is fundamental, writing efficient and reliable programs. So Python have various different data types. First is numeric data types. In numeric, there are three data types: int, float, and complex. Int is whole number, positive, negative, no decimal. Okay. And float is real numbers with decimal point. Complex is numbers with real and imaginary part like this. So I'll I will show you in the code. A equal to 1, B equal to 2. So if you want to print and check the type of print, yeah. So class int. So for both the variables, class is int and this is int type data type. Okay, so next is float. And you can write float like this. So now if you will check the data type is float. We'll copy this part and as it is we will paste here. So now if we will check what is the data type of this variable, we will get complex number. Complex. Okay. So in integer, there are three types of data types. So first number, int, it means without decimal values, and next is float with decimal values, and one is complex. Okay. So next is sequence data types. So sequence data type is divided into three parts: string, list, and tuple. First, we will understand string data type. So, in order to understand string data type, I will show you what is string. So, this is a one string variable. String is basically sequence of characters. Okay, so this is a string, and here I will check the type of this variable, and it will print string. If you want to comment a code in VS Code, you can press Control and question mark. So it will comment the that code. So I will run this Python file string. As you can see, this is string. Similarly, we will. So first we will check what is list. Lists are ordered, immutable, and can hold items of mixed data types. So first is it is ordered. It means it holds the values of the different data types in a sequence in order. Like we can all apply here indexing, and mutable means we can change the items in the list. Okay, and how we can access items in the list? A, in brackets we will pass here index. So if you want to access first element, here we will write 0. Similarly, as I have told you, if we want to access last value of the list, you can write here -1 if you want to access the elements from the last. And if you want to access elements from the first, you will start from 0. This is how you can access. So this is list. If you check here, when minus, I will write here -2. Okay. And I will clear this part. So if we will print this line, it is printing class list. So this is a list. If you write square brackets and specify the elements here, then it will be list. So it is printing class list. And in second number, we are printing the sec -1, -2, this value. So it will print here Python. Okay. Next is tuple. Tuples are ordered and immutable collections. Immutable means unchangeable. We can, if we defined one tuple and assigned elements, after that we cannot change it. So this is the variable name basically, and we have created a tuple. Tuple is square braces, square brackets. So if we change the A with TUP, we can also as it is ordered. See, tuples are ordered, so indexing will be applied, and immutable means unchangeable. So we are not changing, we are just printing the type of the variable and accessing that. So -2 will give 20. Okay, class tuple and 20. So next is Boolean data type. Boolean is simple print type true. So Boolean means true and false. Bool type only have two values. Set data type is set is unordered, means values are stored randomly, collection of unique elements. This is the syntax of set, and inside that curly braces, here we are passing Python data and Python. So if you will print S, it will print the whole set. Sets don't support indexing but can be looped through like this. Applying for loop on the set, we can access the elements. Dictionaries store data in key value pairs. Key must be unique and immutable. So key cannot be changed. But if you want to access the elements from the dictionary, you can access through keys like this. It is a dictionary. Dictionaries can be identified via this curly braces. This is key and this is its value. In between there is a column. So student, and this is the key. We will get here allies. You can also use dict function constructor to make dictionary, as we have used set function constructor to make sets like this. Practice exercises, basic list operations. So list can be appended by this function. It can remove the item from this function. So we will check this. Now we will make a list. We'll write here one, two, three, print here five, five. Now we will print, okay, not print, we will lst autumn. Okay, so we will append 6 and lst dot remove, we will remove 2 and we will print. So what it will provide us, append will append the 6 at the last, so it will become 1 2 3 4 5 6, and after that we will remove 2. So finally it will print the final list. So let us see what will be printed here. 1 3 4 5 6. So remove function is taking the value of the element here. So it is directly removing that element. It is not taking index. Okay. So you can note this point. Now basic tuple access. So how to access tuples? Coordinates is a variable name. 0 1. It will print 3 and 5. Okay. Understanding Python data types allows you to write more robust, readable, and error-free code. Whether you are building a web app or analyzing data, choosing the right data structure is crucial. Okay. So data types in Python are very important. So today we have studied data types. So if I will summarize this, there are one, two, two data types which have sub data types in them. Numeric data type have int, float, complex. Sequence data types are string, list, tuple. Third one is Boolean data type. Fourth one is set, and then dictionary. Okay, so we have total 5 data types. Thank you.